If you have ever wondered what it actually takes to renovate a home in Laguna Beach, this video series is going to show you exactly that. I'm going to be documenting my family's home, the full renovation, from the demo day all the way to the finished product, and I am bringing you along for the whole ride. My name is Danae Aballi-Mecham. I'm a real estate agent, but because this is family, I have access to the entire process, the team, the decisions, the timeline, all of it. By the way, if at any point you do want to reach out to me personally, my number is 949-216-8565. Here is the first thing worth understanding about renovating in Laguna Beach. This is that we started working with the architect 2.5 years ago. 2.5 years of design review with the city, the permitting, the approvals, just to finally get to this demo day. And this is not unusual here. Laguna Beach has its own design review board, its own permitting process, its own regulations, unlike anywhere else in California. And a project at this scale, where we are expanding from about 1,600 square feet to 2,500 square feet, requires enormous patience and the right team of professionals long before a single wall comes down. So this amount of time and expertise is exactly why a well-remodeled home in Laguna Beach can sell for such a big premium. So you're not just paying for the finishes, you're paying for the years it took to get there. By the way, here at this home and many in Laguna, before demolition can begin, abatement has to be completed first. And abatement is the process of safely removing all the hazardous materials in the home, like asbestos or lead-based paint, that are common in our older construction. So it has to be done by licensed professionals and fully cleared before the demo crew is safe to come inside and get the actual demo done. So this whole process of demoing will take about 3 weeks. I have a construction team managing this project, and I'm excited to keep sharing updates with you as the project continues. So make sure you stay with me and subscribe, and we'll show you what it looks like as it keeps going. It's going to be quite a journey. See you on the next one.